All right, so when solving a 3 by 3 or greater, 3 by 3 is normally as much as we have, system of linear equations, purely calculator. All right, so we set it up on our CAS, you can type them in, okay, just 3 by 3 equations and just type it into solve, or you can set it up in a matrix form now, okay. So it is possible that you might be asked to identify what matrix form is appropriate to solve this set of equations, but you won't be asked to solve a 3 by 3 equation, 3 by 3 matrix equation, okay? You won't have to find a determinant or anything like that, all right? So I guess the point is coefficient of x is 1, 3, negative 1, 1, 3, negative 1. There's my x, y, z, and it's equal to 15. So that's that equation there. Whoop. 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, x, y, z equals 7, 1, negative 2, yeah, equals 0. Now the order, I could have the yellow equation there, the blue equation there, the green equation there, as long as everything matches off on the right hand side. I could possibly swap everything around and have y, x, z in this column here. So you've just got to be careful everything matches off, all right? But once you type everything into your equation, so in this example down here, I've used the matrix form. So quickly, I've gone 1, 2, 3 equals 13. 1, 2, 3 equals 13. Negative 1, negative 3, 2 equals 2. Negative 1, negative 3, 2 equals 2. And negative 1, negative 4, 7 equals 17. Yeah, so just make sure I get the coefficients right. Solve it, and you can see here the calculator spat up, or spat out I should say, a general solution. Okay, and what we say here, when it gives me a general solution like that, it's saying that the solution is in terms of a parameter or a variable. All right, now in the book, they use lambda as our parameter. All right, that's the equivalent of our calculator using C1, or it could be C5 or C6. All we're saying is, we're saying that Z is equal to C1. So over here, if I put C equal to 1, okay, which is my parameter, or lambda equal to 1, and to substitute that into each of those expressions, I'll get x is equal to negative 13 minus 43. Y is equal to 5 times 1 minus 3, and Z is just equal to 1. Solve them. That's one possible solution set. Okay? If I put Z equal to 1. If I put C1 equal to 0, which means Z is equal to 0, I'll get x is equal to negative 43 and y is equal to negative 15. That's another solution set. So if we have a solution in terms of a parameter, it simply means that we're going to have an infinite number of solutions. Okay, and you can choose the z value or the c value or the lambda value. Okay, it's not too dissimilar. If you cast your mind forward a little bit, we might have our solutions for our trig equations, yeah? Where we then get our general solution and put n equal to 0 or n equal to 1 or n equal to 2. Okay, that's the solution in terms of a parameter, where in this case the parameter is n. All right, have a look at those.